Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to get started with Claude AI from scratch. First, open your browser and visit Claude.ai. On the home page, click sign up if you are new or log in if you already have an account. You can sign up using your email address or through Google or Apple for faster setup. Next, once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the chat interface. At the bottom, you'll see a text box where you can type your questions or prompts. Now, try your first interaction by typing something simple like summarize this paragraph or write a short written email. Claude AI will instantly respond with helpful results. To improve your experience, explore the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon. Here you can adjust preferences like the theme, text size, and available features such as memory or artifacts if they are enabled for your account. Finally, keep in mind that Claude AI works best when prompts are clear and detailed. The more context you provide, the better the responses will be. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.